Good morning, Lisa. Good morning, Carl. Good morning, everyone. Listen, the latest scare to be thrown around the market is that interest-only loans could create a US-style subprime lending crisis that cripples banks, borrowers and property prices. This comes from a Melbourne-based funds manager, JCP Investment, that looks after money for Australia's future fund. Now, the funds manager says only time will tell if such households can afford the mortgages that they have. Now, the background is, as house prices have rocketed on the east coast of Australia, more buyers have sought interest-only loans because the monthly repayments are lower. That's because you're only paying the interest, you're not paying back the actual loan. A loan you pay back is called a P&I loan, principal and interest. So take a $500,000 loan over 30 years at 4%. A principal and interest loan will cost you $2,387 a month. By contrast, the same loan, interest only, will just cost you $1,666 a month, so $720 less. That's money you can use to feed the family or maintain a lifestyle. But a lot of people have used their ability to pay off a principal and interest loan, converted that to interest only, and then bought a bigger house. So a person with a $500,000 principal and interest loan paid $2,387 a month. Well, if they made that interest only, they could get a loan for $710,000. In other words, instantly a bigger house. And that's what a lot of people have done. According to JCP research, there's around $159 billion of interest-only loans from a total $1,379 billion of home mortgages with the big four banks. So it's around 12%, but it's growing fast. People with those loans, homeowners or investors, are especially vulnerable if they're forced to sell and especially if house prices are falling. But if they're vulnerable, then banks that lent the money are also vulnerable under those circumstances. That's the point of the JCP research. It's also by bank regulators are cracking down on this style of lending. Dow Jones on Friday up 141 points, and Carl and Lisa, dollar this morning, 74.5 US cents. Watch out, I'd say.